Good morning, class 5. So, this is our GK period. In our last class, we have read about ornamental plants which give beautiful look to our house, which give us freshness, and it gives us good fragrance in our home. So, we can say in short that this brings in pure air to our home and keep away bad odor out of our home. And what we have done, this strange flowers, these 2 pages we had completed in our last class. So today we'll do this flower quiz. This is flowers quiz. You have to read the statement and you have to give the answer that which one of the option is correct. So this is MCQ. When you want to convey your feeling or wishes, we say it with flowers. We say that if we want to give flower to our friend, we give yellow. In the same way, whenever anyone come to our school, we give them a flower of bouquet. So this is a very good conveying material to to express our feeling in front of the other. We use flowers. Do you know that there are different flowers with different meanings and values attached to them, and that different flowers are used for different occasions? So we use different flowers for different occasions. So now in this chapter, in this page, you have to do this only. First of all, write here classwork and today's date. Today's date is 05/05/20. So 5th May 20. Start with our first question. Shall I keep it in landscape form? That would be much better. Okay, see here. Take this quiz to find out how much you know about flowers. Now question number 1. This flower brings to mind pride and sunshine. Which of these flowers? 3 options are there: sunflower, marigold and carnation. So see, pride and sunshine. So you can easily recognize that this is sunflower. So you have to give a tick. Give a small tick within the box. Okay, mine have gone out. Don't make it out. Keep it inside the box. Now, it is a symbol of love and purity. This flower is a symbol of love as well as purity. Jasmine, daisy or morning glow. So your answer will be daisy. Give a small tick, okay, inside the box. This flower stands for delicate beauty. Its beauty is awesome. Okay, it looks very beautiful. Lotus, lily, hibiscus. So your answer will be hibiscus. White roses symbolize. White rose symbolize what? White. White is a sign of purity. If we wear white dress, it is simply look awesome. It's white, pure, calm. It gives very softness look. So purity. Now, with get well wishes we send. If you want to get well wishes from someone, what we send? Lotus, sunflower or marigold. For best wishes we use marigold. Okay, now move to the next question. The national flower of India. This is very easy. The national flower of India is lotus. Now, yellow roses symbolize. When we give yellow roses, we give yellow rose to our friends. So it symbolizes for friendship. I told you right now, na, we give white or we give yellow. These all roses or all different flowers symbolize something. Now, saffron, a spice. Saffron is a spice, you know, comes from the flower. Saffron comes from which flower? Crocus. Saffron comes from crocus. Saffron is a very expensive spice. Okay, it is a very expensive spice we use in to make ras malai, etc. It gives a very nice, delicious taste to our food. Come to the next question. Question number 9. The bulbs of these flowers can be used instead of onions in cooking. So, we can use the bulbs of this flower instead of onion. What is this? This is tulips. So, your answer will be tulips. Next. This flower's name means day's eye. See, day's eye. This is daisy, day's eye. So, we have completed this flowers quiz. Okay. By this page, what we understood? How much we know about the flowers. Different flowers express different occasion and it is used for different occasion. How to use? Now you understood? Good. Now move to the next page. This is page number 17. Now we are moving to page number 18. Very good. So our page number 18 is info zone. This is basically an information zone. We should collect some information also of the outside world in the environment in which we are living. So save the environment. How we can save our environment? Our environment is an essential part of our life. Why? We live in an environment. We need a healthy environment to live in. So we should take take care of our environment also. A clean and pollution-free environment is necessary for a healthy life. We should keep our environment clean and pollution-free. But the nature's balance is disturbed by our activities. What we are doing? We are using plastic bags. We are using a lot of vehicles. So from all that, we are polluting our environment. Global warming, acid rain and other harmful changes affect our environment. So global warming, all the icebergs are just melting. Rain is now acidic in nature and other harmful changes which are now occurring in our environment. These all are affecting our environment. So what we can do to keep our environment clean? Read the following to know all about acid rain. This is acid rain. Rain is the purest form of water. You know, rain is the purest form of water. And in the monsoon also, all the farmers wait for rain to come. They wait for monsoon to come. Rain gives a very good moisture to their land. It helps us into the land to get harvested. It gives a very good agriculture to our country. So it is the purest form of water. It is the most important source of water for life. From where we get a lot of water to survive ourselves? It is basically rain. But in many places in the world, rain has become dangerous. Now in many of the places, rain has become dangerous. Why? How? Because now they are acidic in nature. Why and how? Let's know how. How the rain has become so dangerous. Harmful gases from factories. There are a lot of factories nowadays. So harmful gases from factories and vehicles. See how the smoke is coming out, how the air is getting polluted from this bus and cause air pollution. These mix with the clouds and fall down as acid rain. So these gases only mix up with the cloud and they give an acidic rain. What acid rain do? See, acid rain can harm the soil. What I have told you, that in India our farmer basically depend on monsoon, on rain for have a good soil, for harvesting their field, to get a good agricultural output. So acid rain can harm the soil. So plants cannot grow well. When acid rain falls into lakes or rivers, fish and other water animals die. Because of that acid rain, not only our plants or our soil, but also aquatic animals are getting disturbed because of this. How? When this acid rain falls into lakes, rivers, they are giving dangerous poisons to the fish, and all the aquatic animals are dying. When we drink such water, it can damage our brain too. So when we drink this type of acid rain, this water which comes from the acid rain, it can damage our brain too. Not just this, even buildings are damaged because of acid rain. So in all, what we can say, that we should take care of our environment. We should save our environment. So reduce air pollution and save the environment. And when World Environment Day is celebrated? World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5 every year. Okay, now come to the next page. It is a tidbits. Means you should know something about our environment. For this tidbits is there. A little information, a new information to you, or may be many of you don't know about all these things. So this is a information. Planting trees and saving the environment is the need of the hour. Now when our environment is facing so many difficulties because of us human being, we have to do something now. What could be a better way to celebrate an occasion than planting trees? So what we should do in our Environment Day? We should play not only in Environment Day, I say every time whenever you get such type of occasion, such situation, when you can plant trees. Nowadays when people are in lockdown, many of us are planting small trees or small plants and all to our farming area, our garden. So what this gives? This gives very pure air to ourselves. Yes. Now, Bhutan took the environment friendly step by planting over 1 lakh trees to celebrate the birth of Bhutan's prince King Kishar and Queen Pema's first child. So what they have done? They have taken a step for planting over 1 lakh trees. In the birth of their Bhutan king and queen's first baby, what they have done? They have planted 1 lakh trees. So what we should also do? Whenever we got such type of occasion, whenever we feel very happy, we should also plant a tree. In Buddhist culture, trees symbolize longevity, health, beauty and compassion. So for their first child, what they have done? They have planted trees to give him long life, good health, beauty and compassion. Bhutan's constitution states that 60% of the land should be under forest cover. So, following that, the country is preserving 60% of its land for forest. What they have, Bhutan have 60% of the land for forest and they are preserving it. They are not just making it go damage. They are preserving that. 60% of the land should be preserved for forest. The country set a world record last year too by planting 49,672 trees in an hour. See, a good achievement by Bhutanese. What they have done? They have set their world record for their country last year. They planted 49,672 trees in an hour. That's really awesome, Bhutan. We wish the whole world will follow the same path. When we also follow the same path, we will also save our environment. So, what we have to do for save our environment? When we plant more and more trees, then also our air gets pollution free. So, we have to plant more and more trees. This is save the environment. The next page is page number 20. This is puzzle yourself. So this work is for you. You can treat as your home assignment. This is your homework for 5/5/20. So you have to complete this yourself now. We all have read this this, suppose this is your test for all the chapters what we have read till now. So what you have to do, you have to complete this flower quiz. This I have only completed, so you have to do it. Go through this information, read this again, and this is your test. Puzzle yourself. Okay, now till here our first unit syllabus is over. Now we'll do more lessons. We'll move forward to the next chapters. First you revise this, puzzle yourself how much you understood about these chapters which we have read. Okay, we have read 6 chapters. After that flower quiz, so all the puzzles are from this only. So complete your work. See you in the next class. Stay home and stay safe, but do your work, do your studies. Lockdown is not for study. Lockdown is just for not getting out of the home. Don't go and meet others. Don't make crowd. Okay, but for studying it is always locked on, never locked down. Okay. See you in the next class. Bye bye.